Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this, I've lived afloat aboard my narrowboat for nearly 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the canal system and making videos. Today we're on the North Oxford Canal at Rugby, and just up ahead is Bridge 58, and this stretch along here is very popular visitor moorings because it's close to the supermarkets. Quite often you'll find this place is extremely busy. You'll have boats moored on both sides in places, and there's an awful lot of overhanging vegetation which you've got to contend with, and there's several sort of sharp bends as well. It's a recipe for disaster. Coming up on the right is Water Point. This is one of the nasty little bends with overhanging vegetation. You simply can't see what's coming. I'd be very hesitant about mooring up alongside this. The footpath on the left leads down to Tesco's, and there's other shops as well, just a little bit farther on. And if you carry on down that path, it's over a mile, you get to Rugby town centre. Right, let's have a bit of real-time boating with no video edits for a few minutes and a chance to play you some of my new music.
Story of my life, the price I have to pay. Continuously cruising, not allowed to stay. continuously cruising every 14 days, moving in all weathers, in sun and wind and rain. No roots there are to hold me down, no one to keep me safe. Hello, goodbye, I'll be back again one day. It's the story of my life, the price I have to pay. But it's not all bad. Many wish they had a life as free as mine, the freedom to roam in my watery home, a way to spend my time, continuously cruising, continuously cruising.
The bridge on the left up there is the entrance to an old canal arm. I don't think it's open to the public, but it is actually quite long. Take a look at the map view. There is a boatyard at the end, but I can't tell you anything about it really because I've never been down there. This is a long, straight stretch of canal now. You rarely see any boats moored up down here. Not sure why, but it is in a bit of a cutting. It's kind of damp and gloomy, and the towpath can be quite muddy here as well. And then of course we have the ever-present problem of overhanging branches. It's getting worse and worse in some places. I tried to guide the boat through the least affected part, but to no luck. That camera doesn't stand very high off the roof of the boat, and generally I don't have a problem with bridges with it. So you can see what the problem is with, if you've got stuff on your roof, it can easily get swept off. Newbold on Avon. Your canal guide might tell you that there's rubbish disposal here and a water point, but the rubbish disposal is gone. There is just the water point now and a pub. Just around the corner here is the tunnel. We'll do that in the next video. I'm stopping here for water, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.